Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your workbook structure and referencing system, because formulas rely on consistent references. First, convert key ranges to named ranges so you can reuse them without errors, and make sure important cells use the correct number or date format. Once done, type a simple test formula like equals SUM, A2, A10 to validate references. You'll notice faster debugging when names replace raw addresses. Make sure to save a version before major changes so you can compare results quickly. You now construct the main logic by assembling functions in small steps. This keeps errors visible. Start with helper columns to compute intermediate values, then combine them using if, index/match, or xlookup as needed. Once a component returns expected results, nest it into the larger formula carefully and add parentheses to control evaluation order. Make sure to use absolute references when copying formulas across rows. If performance slows, convert volatile functions to static or use fewer arrays. You finish by validating and protecting your work. Run evaluate formula to step through calculations and use trace dependence to see linked cells, because this reveals hidden errors. After confirmation, lock key cells with dollar references and protect the sheet to prevent accidental edits. Once done, add a short comment describing assumptions and expected outputs so collaborators understand intent. Troubleshooting tip: if results differ, check cell formats and hidden rows first, then reevaluate formulas step by step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.